start by inverting the value of isCart showing. It says to invert, which would mean reverse or change something from its opposite. It says, remember that you can use the logical not operator to invert the value of a boolean. That would mean it's either true or false. Assign the inverted value to isCart showing. So we have here isCart showing, and then let's assign it. It says, because it says assign the inverted value. That would mean what that would be. The inverted value would be with the use of not operator to negate the isCart showing. Nice.